Greetings folks, it's Sarah with Obadiah's, and today I am showing you guys, this is a prototype at the Teba factory, and this is actually going to be a natural gas model, and they did a really great job with their logs and how realistic it looks. It has a huge glass viewing area, the three-sided panoramic view. I'm curious, what do you guys think? Is this something that you'd be interested in seeing in North America? Testing requirements for gas are going to be a little bit different in North America. However, potentially if we had enough demand for this particular model, it might be something we could bring in. It has a nice ceramic glass cooktop on the very top of the stove, which I think looks very nice. Overall, it gives you a nice viewing area to just see how clean the Teba burns. Even with the wood stove, when I saw it in operation, it burned equally as clean. Look at how nice the stove burns. It is beautiful. Teba really does a nice job with their product line. I really hope that you guys enjoy touring with me, seeing all of the various factories. If you like these videos, give me a thumbs up. Click subscribe in the corner of the channel. God bless. Have a wonderful day.